Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a musical sheet PDF template using the ILovePDF app. Just open the app and go to the tools. Here you can find this Create PDF button. Tap on it and then browse the template until you find the musical sheet. Set how many pages you would like to have and then click on the red button on the right. Wait a few seconds and after that your musical sheet is easily editable. You can write in it, you can give a text or even add images. If we click on the three dots, if we go back and click on the three dots, we can open the folder where this musical sheet is in, and if we click on the three dots again, then we can easily share it. I hope it will be useful for you, and thanks for watching.